Hi friends, and welcome back to another Fujifilm recipes video. This recipe comes from JamieChanceTravels.com. He uses the Fujifilm Superior 100 film from the 1980s as his base, and he's tweaked it a few times to try and find the kind of recipe that he likes the best. So I'm using number 3, where he uses a lot more greens and it's a bit more faded, but I'm going to try it today in Cambridge and see how it looks. So yeah, I hope you like the photos. I've used a classic negative film simulation before. In one of my previous videos I used the Fujifilm Real 100, which I used on quite a similar day like today, where it's very overcast and isn't particularly much sun. So it'll be interesting to see how they both compare. Yeah, I'm enjoying this recipe so far. I'm going to see how it looks throughout the day. I think today it's just going to stay overcast. There might be some spots of rain, which might make for some interesting photos, but yeah, it's looking okay so far. The rain has come out now. I've just been working in a coffee shop for a bit, trying to get some work done and working on my website. But yeah, I really enjoy walking down this bit in Cambridge, and especially now that it started raining, I can get some cool shots with some umbrellas, which I always love to do. So, and hopefully some puddle shots. But yeah, I hope you're liking the photos so far, and I hope you're enjoying the video as well. Well, thank you for watching this week's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. I quite enjoyed this recipe. I really liked it, especially today where it's quite dark and you've got a lot of like light coming from the wet floor. Yeah, it worked quite well when I was taking photos of the bookshop, where the light from the bookshop was projecting onto the floor. It gave quite a nice colour for it. I'm intrigued to see what it's going to be like on like a brighter day, so I might try this recipe again, potentially in like spring, summertime. But yeah, actually I quite enjoyed it, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.